Me and Taciana did our project on sheep. Sheeps are from the Animalia kingdom and are found in the Chordata phylum, and their species name is Ovis aries. A male sheep is called a ram, and a female sheep is called an ewe. They're most likely to have descended from Europe or Asia, and they're one of the most earliest animals to be domesticated for agricultural purposes. As you can see in this video, our sheep is a female and she's eating some of the food that we've set out for her. And talking about the structure of her digestive system, she has three sets of salivary glands that are within her mouth, and then she has a very long muscular esophagus tube that leads to her stomach. Her stomach is different in function and structure. It has three additional chambers called the reticulum, the rumen, and the omosium that her food passes through before reaching the true stomach, which is called the abomosium. In the reticulum, it's a pouch where that's a holding area for the feed after it passes down the esophagus, and it receives material coming into the digestive system and will trap large inedible objects. In the rumen, it's a very large muscular pouch which extends within the left side of the body cavity, and it's a critical site for feed digestion in the sheep, and it has a complex environment composed of microbes, feed at various stages of digestion, gas, and rumen fluid. And the microbes are basically a part of the fermentation process for the sheep. Sheeps have hooves and an even number of toes, which is also similar to camels' hooves. They also have a field vision of around 300 degrees, which allows them to see behind themselves without having to turn their heads. They are herbivores and they like to stay close to each other in herds, which makes them easier to move together in pastures. And a fun fact would be that in 1996, a sheep named Dolly was the first mammal to be cloned from a somatic cell.